friends, welcome to Tables World Recipes. Today, we're going to prepare one of my favorite pasta dishes. We're going to prepare a Manicotti. It's spelled Manicotti and a lot of people call it like that, but my Italian American friends are going to kill me if I call it that way. This is an American Italian type of pasta. It comes from cannelloni, but cannelloni is smooth and Manicotti has grooves to catch more sauce. It's more hearty. And we're going to prepare a homemade marinara today. It's a delicious dish. It's a stuffed pasta. We're going to stuff it with a ricotta mixture and I think you're going to love it. So now, let's get cooking. The ingredients we're going to need is 1 pack of Manicotti, 8 ounces, 36 ounces of canned peeled tomatoes, half a white onion, 2 garlic cloves, some fresh basil, 16 ounces of fresh mozzarella cheese, 24 ounces of ricotta cheese, 2 large eggs, 1 bunch of parsley, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. The first step is we're going to prepare a marinara sauce. We're going to grab our onion and we're going to chop it finely. I'm going to make some extra marinara sauce as I like to keep some for other pastas. Then we're going to chop our garlic cloves finely as well. The next step is we're going to take our canned peeled tomatoes and we're going to mash them. We're going to mash them as much as possible just to make the base of our marinara sauce. In a pot, we're going to take our olive oil, we're going to let it heat up until it starts shimmering, and then we're going to add our onions. We're going to start cooking our onions until they become soft and translucent. Once our onions are soft and fragrant, the next step is we're going to add our garlic. I love the smell of cooking onions. Now we're going to stir our garlic cloves just a little bit. We don't want them to burn. We're going to add our dried oregano. We're going to toast it for just a couple minutes. And now it's time to add our tomatoes. We're going to stir everything real well and make sure that everything is incorporated. The next step is we're going to add some salt and pepper to taste. Oh, this is starting to smell real good. We're going to mix it one last time. And now we're going to cover it. And we're going to let our marinara sauce simmer for about 20 minutes at medium-low heat. After 20 minutes, we're going to uncover it and wow, it's smelling amazing. This is the way I like my marinara, but if you want, you can use an immersion blender to make it smoother. I like mine rustic. Now to finalize it, we're going to grab some basil leaves. You can use as much or as little as you want. And we're just going to rip the leaves and add them to the sauce. By ripping it by hand, the oils of the basil are going to infuse into our marinara. Then we're just going to cover it. We're going to put it at low heat and let it go while we finish our manicotti. Now to prepare our ingredients, I'm going to shred my Parmesan cheese, and I need 1 cup. We're going to chop our parsley, and we're going to chop it until it's real fine. Then we're going to prepare our filling for our manicotti. To our ricotta cheese, we're going to add our 2 eggs, our Parmesan cheese, our nutmeg, our parsley, and I'm going to press a little bit of garlic. This garlic is not going to cook fully. It's going to give some garlicky taste, so it's optional. If you don't want it, you can leave it out. And now we're going to combine our filling real well. Then I'm going to add it to a piping bag, which is going to make it easier when we're filling our pasta. Now this step is optional as well. I have some boiling water, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt, and I'm going to pre-cook my manicotti for about 5 minutes. I want it very al dente. You don't have to do this, I just like the texture of the pasta pre-cooking it. After 5 minutes, we're going to drain our pasta and we're going to run some cold water to stop the cooking process. And now let's start to prepare our manicotti. We're going to take a little bit of our marinara sauce and put it at the bottom. Then we're going to start grabbing our manicotti shells and we're going to start filling them up using our piping bag. Make sure that you fill them from both ends. We're going to repeat this process until all our shells are full. We rinse and repeat, and once we have all our shells stuffed, we're going to add more sauce at the top. And then we're going to go in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. As our manicotti is in the oven, it's a perfect time for you to click on subscribe to our channel. If you want to know when new videos are coming, click on the bell to get notifications. Leave us your comments, and at the end of this video, give us a like. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And now, let's finish it up. After 20 minutes, we're going to pull our manicotti out of the oven. And now I'm going to put my mozzarella cheese on top of it. I want to cover as much as possible. Then we're going to shave some Parmesan cheese. We're going to go back in the oven for another 10 minutes just to make sure that the cheese melts. We're almost there. After 10 minutes, we're going to take it out of the oven. And look at this. I'm going to shave some more Parmesan on top. And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of chopped parsley. Now it's time to serve. Normally the portion is about 2 shells per person, and that's what we're going to be doing here. And now our manicotti is ready, and let me tell you, it's smelling amazing. Let's try it. The marinara has such a great taste. The pasta's cooked perfectly. And that ricotta filling, it's so savory and good. This is one of my favorite pasta dishes. Give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.